Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to restore deleted files in Google Drive. To restore the files that you have deleted in Google Drive, firstly open your Google Drive application. After that, tap on three-lined icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on third menu, which is bin. After that, choose the file that you want to restore. Now tap on three-dotted icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on restore. You can see that our two files have been restored. So this is how you will be able to restore deleted files in Google Drive. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.